Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Rodansh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Natik. Yes, Devansh, you are saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let everyone come. What we were doing? Class? What did we do
Ma'am,
yesterday?
we have to start new chapter.
Okay. Question answers and everything done?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tanishka. What we have to do?
Ma'am, we have to start new chapter.
Activities we have done?
Ma'am, you have given the activity as a homework to do.
Which activity?
Ma'am, individual activity we have to make a collage.
Okay. One more activity I am sharing with you. You have to do this activity, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to draw these two diagrams and label it and name what it is doing, right?
Ma'am, we have to label it, and ma'am.
You have to draw both the diagrams, and in the first diagram you have to label it and tell what it is, and in the second diagram you have to tell what kind of pollutions are being caused in the shown picture, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Start doing it, right?
Ma'am, enough
Can you
here.
please?
Yes, in your geography fair notebooks, beta, in your fair notebooks, in the plain side you will be drawing, and ruled side you will be writing the answers.
Ma'am, can you please tell the activity again? I am disconnected.
Yes, you have to do this activity. Can Tanishka explain to them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell Tanishka.
We have to draw these two diagrams, and in first diagram we have to label it that what it is, and in second diagram we have to tell that what pollution it is.
I hope it is clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Tanishka. Very well explained. Very good.
Thank
Start.
you, ma'am.
You have 15 minutes to do this, and after that we'll start with the new chapter, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you doing class?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, what we are doing? Can you tell?
These two pictures on the screen that you can see, you have to make these pictures in the notebook and label them. Questions are given
Okay.
over there, no? And you have to tell what is the first picture about. Any doubts?
Ma'am, we only have
No,
to
ma'am.
tell the what is picture about.
Yes, the first picture you have to tell what it is about. And you have to label it.
Ma'am, it is of only one word.
And then there are five, blanks given. You have to define the process that is involved in this picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, how we have to, ma'am, label it?
Beta, marking is given, no? Where one is written.
Yes,
Can,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
where one is written, you have to write what is the process second, what is the process third, what is the process fourth, fifth, everything. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा तनिष्का.
Ma'am, can you zoom this again? Ma'am, first picture. Okay, ma'am.
Now quickly your attendance, okay class? Okay, Adya Gupta. Is Adya there in the class? Adya, are you there? Adya, are you there? I cannot hear you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I don't understand the fourth and fifth process of this.
Beta, it is a diagram of water cycle. Right? Now you analyze what are the fourth and the fifth process.
Ma'am, that I understand, ma'am. The three are, ma'am, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Then, ma'am, the fourth and fifth are I don't understand.
So leave it if you are not able to understand. We'll discuss it. Don't worry. Okay? Let everyone finish.
Okay. Ma'am, we
Aditya,
have to make, ma'am, we have to make the diagram
हाँ
on
बेटा,
the, ma'am.
rough diagram you make. Rough diagram you make. No need to be very perfect. You can roughly make this diagram on the plain side of the notebook. Okay? Geography 1.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in second picture, we only have to tell which type of pollution it is
Which,
causing.
only which types of pollutions are you can see.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Okay, ma'am.
Then please show the first picture.
Just a second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, I have made it the diagram.
Okay. Have you labeled them? Say I have made the diagram. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You have drawn the
Ma'am,
diagram. हाँ.
ma'am, we have to label it in the picture only.
Yeah, if you will do it in the picture, it will be easy. Do it in the picture only.
Ma'am, can we do in the right
You
hand?
can do. You can do on the rule side also. There is no problem.
Ma'am, so we have to do the numbering of the
Yes.
process.
Yes. Yes. Numbering of the processes the way it is given in the diagram.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, we have to also color it. Excuse me, ma'am.
That is your wish. If you have time, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rishika is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manhir.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have Mohammad Uzair?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But I can't see him. Just a second.
I'm there.
Just a second. Just a second. Let me scroll. Okay, Uzair is there. Fine. Those who have done the numbering diagram, they can start sharing their work on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, who is this Kinjal?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Kunjal Verma. You are a new
Ma'am,
admission?
actually,
Huh?
what, ma'am?
You are a new admission?
No, ma'am.
But your name is not there in the list.
Ma'am, I told you why it is that I joined the school last year only.
Okay. Kunjal Verma. What is your SR number? Can you tell?
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling it in 1 minute only. Just
Yeah.
wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I think ma'am she is Rishika's small sister.
She is?
Rishika's sister.
Beta, but her name is not given over here in the class list which is there.
Ma'am,
That's why
first
I'm
name
only
is
saying,
Rishika,
ma'am, she's in by mistake he entered in 8th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
She is.
sorry for discussing. Actually, your link was in my group.
You are in which class?
Ma'am, class 60.
Okay. You can leave the meeting then.
Okay, ma'am.
How come you got access to this class? I don't understand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done.
Send it on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay. Share it in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, I am waiting. Start sending.
Yes, ma'am, I am sending.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Sent. I have sent, beta. What will you say?
Ma'am, I have sent.
Goransh, nothing is visible. Only your shadow is visible.
Ma'am, I
Goransh,
have sent.
I am looking at that only. Very good, Goransh. We can call it the fifth one as percolation also, because it is going inside the land, no, under the ground.
Ma'am, what we have to write in fifth one?
You can write percolation.
Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, in fourth one,
Fourth is precipitation. Sorry, respiration. No, wait.
then third is precipitation, I think.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am, third is.
Let me open the diagram. Wait a second. See, first is evaporation, second is condensation, third is transpiration, fourth is precipitation, fifth is percolation. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And the types of pollution that is being caused.
Ma'am,
air
air and water. And ma'am, land also.
Yes, land also. All the three pollutions, air, water, and land, is being caused because the smoke released in the air is causing air pollution. The garbage near the land, on the land, is also creating pollution. Plus, look at the river water, it is so dirty. The factory waste is being thrown in the water, so it is causing water pollution. So all the three types of pollution are being caused, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I am waiting for everyone to send.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
Okay, Natik, very good. Beta, the other day I told you, whenever you are drawing diagrams, you should always mark margins on the plane side. That way your diagram and whatever you do on the plane side comes out to be very good. What about others, those who are there in the meeting? There are 17 children in the meeting. I want all the 17 on the group.
Ma'am, I have done the first one.
Okay, send it.
Okay, I'm sending.
Fine, class. We are left with just 5 minutes. So we are going to start, like not today, but now whenever we have the next class, we'll be starting with the new chapter. The new chapter tells us about it is about the flora and fauna. And flora and fauna, when we say flora and fauna, we are talking about the natural vegetation and the wildlife, right? The plant species and the animals that are found. Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, I have seen the picture of the first diagram on the group.
Yes, Uzair, I have seen beta. Very good. But please mention today's date, no? Chapter, you will write chapter 3 activity on and date also you specify.
Okay, ma'am.
See how beautifully he has drawn the margins also on the sides and in the between, in the center, he has drawn the picture. Very good, Uzair.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I'm coloring the diagram, so ma'am, it's getting late.
Don't color it later on, no issues.
Ma'am, now it's half color, ma'am, half, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
it's just not looking good.
You can share it on the class group after the classes are over, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have sent the second diagram also.
Okay, checking. Yes. Very good.